Hello, good afternoon to all. So hope everybody is fine. Yesterday I have already sent a clipping, that is the clipping algorithms, how to clip a line. But most of the people, have not given me any response. I hope everybody is busy with the coronavirus, is staying in the home. So whatever, it's okay. Be home, be at home and be safe. So today we are going to see the topics that is called the clipping. As I have told you people, this clipping is nothing but which clip a data. Means what data will be clipped and how it will be clipped, we'll see that first. Suppose, think that this is a window size. The size of the window. This is the window here. That size of the window is this one. So clipping is nothing but if any data, anything will come. It may be in the form of line or point or anything. If anything will be outside this window, then it has to be discarded. It has to be clipped. Means it has to be, you can say that, rejected. Okay, that is nothing but is called the clipping. So what we can say that clipping is nothing but it is a technique which discard, or we can say that reject the object outside the window. Okay, so outside the window means, as I have told you people, suppose this is a window, this is a window size. Okay, got it everyone? This is a window size. Now suppose this is a one data. This is a one data which has to be stored here. Now you can see that one. This is a window size, but this is a data which has to be stored here, which is more. You can see that there are some data. For example, if I see this one, if I keep this one like this, now you see that these are the some extra is there. Extra. You can say that one. Now otherwise you can say like this. These are the window size. This one is the window size. Okay. And now you see here, these are the extra data. These are the extra space. These are the extra space. So this entire one has to be discarded. This one has to be discarded, and this one has to be discarded. Means we have to delete or we have to reject this portion. This portion you have to reject, and these portions you have to reject. Okay, this is our main technique. So this is what? This is your window size. Okay, the size of the window. So now we are going to see that one. So one type of clipping is called the line clipping. So this is a one, we will see that one. This is called the line clipping. In the sense, suppose in a general ways, forget about the technical and all, we will see that one technical one. In the general ways, suppose you think that this is a one window. Okay, so in this window, this is a window means this is a window size. Okay, so this is a one line. This is another line. Let us consider this point, 2 point, for example, P1, P2. This is another point, for example, P3, P4. One more, for example, this is another line, for example, P5, P6. Now you see, in a general wise, no need to forget about that subject at first. In a general wise, if you see that one, this P1 and P2 is outside the, outside the window. It is outside the window. So what is this? P1 and P2, which is outside the window. So being it is outside the window means no need to think anything. This is rejected. Got it? Now, suppose one more thing. You see, one more is P3 and P4. That means the point 3 and point 4, which is where inside the window. And in the general way, as I have told, if being it is inside the window, both the point is inside the window, so it is accepted. Okay. Now come to this one more point is P5 and P6. So here P5 and P6. So which is nothing but, you can see that in a general, as I have told you people, we will see in that technique wise the clipping algorithm and all will applied. But for the timing, you see, if P5 and P6, some portion is inside the window, some portion is outside the window. That means what is there is some portion inside and some portion outside the window. That is nothing but here P5 and P6 has to be clipped. So here the clipping technique has to be used. So the technique which we are going to use, this clipping technique, there are so many techniques is there. So as per your syllabus, the one most important techniques is Cohen, Sutherland. Cohen, Sutherland techniques. This is a line clipping techniques. That means this is a Cohen Sutherland algorithm. This is the algorithm which is used to clip a line. Which is used to clip a line means the line which is outside the window has to be rejected, has to be discarded. So how to reject that, how to discard that, that one we are going to see now as per your syllabus and all. Okay. Now you see the Cohen and Sutherland